Defense tactic number 4. White knight. White knight. White knight involves finding a friendly company to take over or to acquire the target company, and thereby preventing a hostile takeover. So a white knight is when the target company seeks a friendly company to acquire it. It involves finding a friendly company. Finding a friendly company to acquire the target company. And when that happens, then that in itself prevents a hostile takeover. So a white knight is a friendly company that comes to the rescue of the target company. It comes to the rescue of the target company that is facing a hostile takeover. So a white knight is a friendly company that comes to the rescue of a company that is facing hostile takeover. So when a company is threatened by a hostile takeover, that hostile takeover or that hostile company is referred to as a black knight. Black knight. This is the hostile company, the predator. The predator is the black knight. So the management may seek out a more desirable acquirer, we are referring to as a white knight. So the white knight then makes a friendly offer to acquire the target company, and that effectively prevents the hostile takeover. That is clear enough, is it not? Finding a friendly company to acquire the target company, thereby preventing a hostile takeover by a black knight.